Have you ever taken what looked like the perfect DeFi trade only to lose immediately? Or maybe you have found yourself asking, how is this even possible? I thought DeFi wins most of the time. The truth is, DeFi can look incredibly easy because statistically, you are betting that the next digit will be anything except one specific digit. That makes many beginners think it is almost impossible to lose, but that is exactly where the problem begins. In today's video, I'll show you the biggest mistakes beginners make when trading DeFi, why those mistakes cost so much money, and what you should do instead. Let us get started. Now, the biggest mistake beginners make is believing that because there are 9 winning digits and only 1 losing digit, every trade is almost guaranteed to win. Okay, yes, mathematically, DeFi has a higher probability of winning than matches, but probability does not mean certainty, okay? The digit you are trying to avoid can still appear multiple times in a row. For example, if you choose to DeFi, okay, 7, you are hoping the next digit is anything except 7. But there is nothing stopping the market from selecting 7, 7, 7, even several times in succession, all right? Many beginners don't expect this because they assume the market owes them a different digit. It doesn't, okay? Every tick is independent. The market has no memory, all right? The second mistake is this, chasing losses. Now, this is where accounts disappear. Listen carefully. You lose one trade, then you immediately double your stake. You lose again, now you double again. Soon you're risking amounts you never have planned to risk. At this point, you're no longer trading, you're gambling. One losing streak can wipe out days or even weeks of profits. Instead, accept losses are a part of trading and protect your capital first. All right? Be careful. Use risk management. All right? Don't risk more than you can afford to lose. All right? Mistake 3: trading every tick. Now, what do I mean? Many beginners believe this. The more trades I take, the more money I'll make. Unfortunately, the opposite is often very true. Trading every single opportunity means you're entering without any real reason. Professional traders don't trade because they are bored. They trade because conditions meet their rules. And that is why in our channel you have a lot of videos that at least give you a good direction on your trading. DeFi, don't just trade blindly, okay? Sometimes the best trade is no trade at all, all right? Quality will always beat quantity. Mistake 4: ignoring market analysis. Now, one of the biggest myths about DeFi is that analysis isn't necessary, and that simply is not true. Even though the contract depends on the last digit, you should still observe the market before entering. Have a strategy. Analyze the market first, okay? Yeah, figure out, has the market met all my conditions? Is the digit I'm avoiding appearing too frequently? Is there a pattern worth paying attention to? Am I entering because of analysis or simply because I want to place a trade? Analysis won't eliminate losses, but it helps you avoid careless entries and avoid unnecessary losses, all right? Mistake 5, risking too much. Imagine you have a $20 account. You risk $10 on one trade. Even if your strategy is good, 1 or 2 losses, in fact only 1, can wipe away your entire account, because remember, in DeFi, you require a martingale of 12. Literally 12. Now, if you have a $20 account and you risk 10, what are you doing? There is no way you'll be able to recover in case of a loss, okay? Yeah, professional traders survive because they manage risk, okay? A good strategy with poor risk management usually fails. But a decent strategy with excellent risk management can last much longer. Protect your account first, always, okay? I told you guys, it is your money, all right? And sometimes when emotions are high, you might just ignore that money and look at it like something of not importance, and then you start doing some very high stakes which are very dangerous, okay? Remember, this is money you saved for. This is money you can do a lot of projects or a lot of things with, okay? So please treat it with a lot of importance, okay? Mistake 6, expecting to get rich quickly or overnight, right? Social media has convinced many people that trading is a shortcut to wealth, and sometimes people usually post huge profits and so on, and then you go online and you see another person claims that they have turned $10 to thousands, but you rarely see the losses. Real trading is about consistency, not excitement, okay? If you focus on making small, consistent gains over time, you'll usually do much better than chasing one massive win. In fact, I've just come to realize that from my interaction with a lot of traders, is that most beginners are blowing their accounts, not because they're bad traders, it's because they are chasing unrealistic wins in one day. You find somebody has a $10 account, they are trying to achieve 1,000 in one day. How? Okay, please avoid that, okay? Most of these traders that you see doing this, remember they are posting, okay? You never know if they've edited or if they've done some shady stuff, so please, okay? It is better you build it day by day, okay? You cannot decide you want a house today and you build it today and you finish it today. Later on in future it will crumble, okay? But if you take your time to build your house one stone at a time, following due diligence, following the right processes, that house will serve you for years to come, okay? So guys, take time. It is a journey. Take time. From the time you have discovered it, just start, all right? Some of people that you see online posting, those guys started long ago, okay? This is your journey. You start slowly by slowly, learning the strategies, practicing the strategies you learn, asking questions, improving on your mistakes, and slowly by slowly, you find that now you have transitioned into your real account, trading as a real trader, and that is how you make progress, okay? Don't be pressured. Don't feel like Deriv will leave if you do not start trading now. No. When you're learning, start saving up your money, okay? And then slowly by slowly, you'll find yourself there, okay? Yeah, so final advice about all this is, I can say is this. If you're new to DeFi, remember these 6 rules. Don't assume every trade will win. Never chase losses. Don't trade every opportunity. First figure out, as this condition made what I want, okay? Always analyze, always protect your capital and think long-term, not overnight riches, okay? And again, when it comes to DeFi, I can advise you use a bot, because when you trade manually like you see here, okay, it can tire you, okay? Because in DeFi, you need to do more than 20 to 40 runs to make a good profit, okay? So if you decide to do it manually, it can become tiring. If you're trading matches, that is fine, you can do it manually. But DeFi, you can just come to your board, set the volatility you want, set the contract type you want, and trade comfortably, okay? And this will not stress you in any way, all right? Yeah, so I hope, guys, this will help a lot of you, okay? Yeah, trading isn't about being right every time, all right? It is impossible in trading to be always right. No, it is about staying in the game long enough for your edge to work, okay? Yeah, and guys, if you have found this video helpful, please ensure like and share if you can, and please ensure subscribe to this channel, okay? Yeah, because we have some nice content. You can also go and check out our other videos. We have some really amazing content for you on the channel. We release almost on a daily basis at 8 p.m. EAT, all right? So that you'll not miss out, okay? Once again, guys, be very careful when trading DeFi. It can seem lucrative. Don't trade it carelessly. Be very careful, okay? Yeah, I will be putting the videos, our playlist that contains DeFi in the description, and you can also see it right now on your screen. Yeah, click on that playlist, check out our matches and DeFi strategies, and learn them, and they can help you improve in a great way, okay? Others, guys, thank you once again for watching this video. Keep on trading, keep on pushing, and let us meet in the next one. Cheers.